Okay, so the Eufy permanent outdoor lights S4 has landed, and here they are. Box is bigger than I expected, but there's the instructions, card, installation tips, and we've got some symbols of what's in the box, I guess. Take a look. Maybe I'll take a better look at that in a minute. Silicon. Ooh. It's a proximity sensor. We will see. Realise that there's connectors, so obviously we could perhaps use this to extend between runs, which is great for the application I've got in mind. So we've got one, looks like three sets of lights, which should be fantastic. Looking forward to this. Just starting to connect up now, and what we've got is the power supply there, and then this is a 2-core lead. So when you look at the pins in these connectors, we've got 2 pins, and this device here, I think it's a switch, then converts that into 3 pins. So we've got things connected up. We've got power supply into the switch, which then we've got the T. Now the instructions say not to connect up the this end yet to the radar detector, and then but then we go on to each of the light sets, and because I've got that powered up, the lights have come on straight away. So just indicating that we've got a good connecting now. Just to take you through this next step, we've got to press the button for 2 seconds. I've opened the Eufy app, I've added the S4 lights. Can't record that because it's on my phone, but now the lights are breathing. So I'm going to go back to